Ladies and gentlemen, how are we today? So hopefully everyone is absolutely smashing it. But yeah, we're going to look through S&P, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. And to be fair, we're going to do a prop trading challenge just for Forex. We'll see it all transparent. I won't hide anything. So day by day, we'll just can't hide the ledgers. Yeah, we'll just see how it plays out, I guess. Obviously, it's going to be majorly embarrassing. Actually, I don't really care, but it'll be obviously the hype and stuff if we do pass. If not, it's just going to be a bit of regret doing the challenge, but hey, it is what it is. So overall, we'll just jump straight into it. So overall, S&P, it is up 1.23%, so it is pretty bullish at the moment, and it is looking very green. So the Mag 7, Meta, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia all green today, and that's pretty much what the S&P is these days, or what people know it for. It's getting pretty crazy, but yeah, anyway, I won't ramble on about that because I've already rambled on about it, but we'll just move on. So overall, nothing too crazy happening on the news, except for there was Trump. Yeah, Trump meets with Japan's first female leader. Nothing too crazy, of course, but that's pretty much the only thing that really stuck out too much. Trading news, nothing too crazy as well. So there was this, it was Wells Fargo's. Yeah, this one, nothing. That's pretty much the only notable one I read through. So, well, the only one I read through because there's nothing really crazy happening too much. So, all right, we'll move on. So, Tuesday, pretty small day. It's very rare that you see so little news, but yeah. So British Retail Consortium, retail sales and like consumer sales and stuff like that. It's just, yeah, price index. It says it in the name. Bank of Japan, core consumer price index. So that's just, yeah. How do I explain it? I've explained it. Yeah, it's just your consumer price index. So excluding like a few things. So for, yeah, as excluding food and energy. So yeah, they're just gauging the overall health and overall health of the market. Well, the economy, pretty much, of what consumers are pretty much. Yeah, how much they're paying. Pretty much just inflation and stuff. To be fair, German GfK consumer climate. So yeah, just a survey of 2,000 consumers. Overall health as well. Just seeing, yeah, if people are happy with, I guess, yeah, the overall economy, but yeah, general living, I guess. But and then these two are just housing price indexes. So I don't know why they have the indices and stuff in these, but yeah, maybe someone can tell me. But yeah, these are both the HPI is a housing price index. So both USD, and then nothing too crazy. So yeah, just a small day, of course, but we are coming up to Thursday. Looks pretty crazy. Actually, we'll just go into that on Thursday. But yeah, as for today, all yellow folders and all, yeah, not that much news anyway. So, all right, so we'll move on to the prop challenge. So, first day was yesterday. I got into my thoughts a bit of imposter syndrome if I should post anything or do anything. So, missed out on the first day. But yeah, got caught with a bit of slippage. So, it was 1% trade, but yeah, just by the time I got in, and then where I put the take profit was a bit less than 1%, but I was risking about 1%. So in the end, it came out yeah, negative risk reward, but it wasn't supposed to be like that. So overall, yeah, first day, nothing too crazy. So I went into oh, why did I click that? Yeah, I went into a 0.1% of yeah, negative equity, I guess, if you want to call it that. And then, yeah, I'm up 0.8% as of the first day. So nothing too crazy. As I said, yeah, it's not looking too crazy at the moment. So hopefully it fills up. I used, yeah, 3.57 lots. So I forgot what the trade was in the end. We can work it out, but I think it was about 25 or 20, 30 pip stop loss. So it was pretty much a one-to-one, but as I said, didn't really work out to be a one-to-one in the end. Bit of a negative risk to reward, but nothing too crazy. All right, so I don't know. Actually, I'll try to work this out. 1 second, guys. I don't even know if I can do this. Um, so, um, all right, so, um, I don't know. All right, just bear with me 1 second. I think it's coming. No, it's not that. All right, cool. Yeah, we're on now. So, all right, so that thing before I just showed was the terminal. So I do have a trader written up. It doesn't show a full screen capture at the moment, so I don't know why that is. But yeah, this is, I have got, I'll get rid of this as well. Sorry, I have to do, it's all one take, so just bear with me 1 sec. So yeah, this is my ledger for last day. I did put in these buy limits just because I wasn't too comfortable with the the calculator, just testing out risk. So I did put buy limit in just to test, and then and then 3.57 what the risk calculator for 1% came up with, and then this was the actual trade. So that was the buy limits you can put in when they're not at the spot, and then you can hover your mouse over and it will tell you how much risk. So I was just checking. So yeah, so nothing too crazy. Just yeah, that's it for today. Well, last night I do have a trade written up that I'll show you in a sec. But for now, I'll just switch back to. Hopefully, this is all working. But all right, so we'll go. We'll order it back up, and we'll go back to. I think this is it. We're back on. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, I'll move this up here. And so yeah, the position size for today's trade will be roughly yeah. Now that we're up, so I've factored in what the account is at now, and 1% and 26 pip stop loss, roughly what it will be. So I'll be, yeah, the trade that I've got written out will be about 3.88 lots. So I'll show you that now. So nothing in this video is financial advice. As I've said in previous ones, I'd literally cringe if anyone followed me, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, definitely no financial advice. But all right, so we got Euro USD. I'm just going to play out one ticker. So I'll just yeah, I think EU will be what I trade for the whole time. So yeah, it's pretty much, this was my trade yesterday, just Asia low, Asia low to Asia high, and it's pretty much as simple as that. So today pretty much I want to it will, when it comes up here, I'll either take it from here and just a sell. So, but I'm going to give myself, this is previous week high. So, and it is a previous Asia session. So a lot of liquidity backed up in these spots. So I'm still umming and ahhing whether I take it from here and just cover the whole gap, or might just take it from and yeah, do the stop loss from equal to maybe up here roughly. So I don't know if I explained that too well, but yeah, pretty much a sell from these spots. So we'll wait and see if it happens. If it comes down here, I'll probably do buy. So it's pretty much as simple as that. Nothing too crazy. All this is pretty much in a structure. And yeah, I just feel like it's going to bounce all the way up, or yeah, up for now. But yeah, we'll see how it all works out. So just well, daily trades, but yeah, you could hit 4 in a row, that's green, and then you could hit 5 in a row, that's bad. So it's just this will play out in a long game, and yeah, it is what it is. So that's that. We'll see if it all works out. If not, it's all cool. I'll have the ledger tomorrow to show you yeah, what I finally do, and we can work it out from there. But that's what I'm thinking at the moment. It's a little bit into London session now, so yeah, I'll just there's not too much crazy news that will push it too violently in one direction, so it might just bounce around for now. So we'll see. All right, we'll move on to pound USD. Same. I'm not going to trade this. As I just said, I'm just going to let the probability play out on one pair. But yeah, just at the top of Asia session, you got this, yeah, previous little liquidity here and then a few as well. So above it. So it might just come through all of these or it might just take one out. But yeah, we'll see on that. We'll watch it. All right, so S&P is up 1.23%, and it is at all-time high. So as I've said on this channel, no one knows what the fuck's happening at the moment. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's just, yeah, almost parabolic in a way, but well, yeah, we'll see. And then, yeah, NASDAQ up 1.83%, and it's, yeah, just in no man's land up here. Nothing too crazy, like and then yeah, the Dow Jones is pretty much, oh, I didn't lock that, is at all-time highs as well. So all the indices are pretty much at all-time highs. So it's hard to wrap my head around sometimes what they're doing, just because I don't really understand a lot of that stuff. But yeah, hopefully one day I do. But I don't think anyone will ever get the full grip, especially at the moment. It just seems like the market's fake, to be fair, whether they are or not. But yeah, anyway, we'll just wrap it up at that. So yeah, if you like any of this stuff, yeah, like and subscribe, I guess. And yeah, tomorrow I'll see you with another video. If I'm not, if I didn't take a trade, I'll tell you, and then hopefully we can do more topics and all that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, anyway, cheers guys. Yeah, cheers. Thanks.